In this short tutorial, you will learn how to lock incognito mode on your Android device and ensure that incognito tabs are locked when you leave the Chrome browser. By following a few simple steps, you can take control of your privacy and ensure that your online activities are secure and protected from prying eyes. To get started, open up the Google Chrome web browser and then tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings. After that, tap where it says Privacy and Security. Once you are on this page, you'll see a section called Privacy, and in that section, you'll see an option called Lock Incognito Tabs when you leave Chrome. To lock incognito mode on your Android device, simply toggle on this switch over here. And then you can lock it using biometrics. You can enable fingerprint lock or face recognition. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.